Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Hello YouTube, how are you guys? I missed you. I haven't filmed in a little, like 2 weeks or so. I'm back. I'm so sorry, I suck. But I wanted my first video back in the next few weeks to be something super fun and something that I love, which is phone cases. You guys know this. Some of my most popular videos on my channel are about all my phone cases that I just I'm obsessed with. So this one is extra special because I actually got these cases sent to me by Sonix. And if you guys do not know who Sonix is, their logo looks like this. I have loved their phone cases since the first iPhone I've had. They've been around for a while now. And I kind of grew up into my smartphone era with Sonix cases being like one of my favorite brands. So I have 3 cases that I'm gonna haul for you guys and show you on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I'm super excited because one thing I really love about having a bigger phone is that the cases are just like so pretty and you just get more space to look at the cases, if that makes any freaking sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the cases that Sonix sent me, and shout out to Sonix for sending me these awesome cases. I can't wait to work with them in the future as well. Make sure you guys are checking the description box for any discount or affiliate codes that I have with Sonix so you guys can save some moolah, but also support my channel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. And the first case I want to show you guys is one that I have had my eye on for weeks now. That is one of their 2 or 3, I think, Care Bear iPhone cases they have, and I really love it. I took this one with me on my trip to St. Louis and I got so many compliments on it, and as you guys are about to see on the try on, it is just a clear case with kind of the classic Sonix frosted side, and it has Care Bears on it, and it is kind of like reflective, if that makes sense. It's super cute, and I love that you can see through it and see the back of my iPhone. That's one of my favorite things about clear cases, is that you can see through it into the back of the iPhones. I can happily say I dropped my phone probably 5 or more times, and there is 0 scratches, not only on the case, but also not on my phone. And the next case I want to show you guys is one I haven't even opened yet because I kind of just wanted to open it on camera, even though that was super hard to do and wait for. The really awesome thing about all these cases, by the way, is that they are drop test certified. All Sonix cases are, and these are anti-microbial. Wait, why can't I say that? Okay, it gets less germs on it is what that means. Yeah. Super cool, much needed, duh, because of good old Miss Rona thing. So that's super awesome, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys, and this one is called Shortcake, and it's pink. Okay, so here she is outside of the main packaging, and when you pop her out, Sonix always includes a little join the club thing, and it has all their socials on there. So this one is freaking gorgeous. I honestly like that it's not see-through because I like to have a good variety of see-through versus not. I really just like that the edges, you can see like the barriers on the inside that are meant to protect your phone. They have some inside ridges, but you can't really see it on the outside, which I really like. This is just such a cute case. I feel like strawberries and like cherries and other fruits like that are just really cute cases for the summer and for springtime. So I really love this one. And this third and last case I want to show you guys is one of my favorites. I originally had seen a lot of other YouTubers reviewing this one from Sonix, and I just knew I had to get it, and it is called Illusion. And I really like how it's see-through, but it also has like a pink sheer tint kind of thing going on, which is really cute. And all the colors are very much just like the colors that are super trendy when it comes to like room decor and clothing right now. So I feel like that is a really cute touch to this case. And not only that, it has sparkles and reflective gold stars on it. I think it is so cute, and it kind of gave me like Dr. Seuss vibes in a way. And again, just the same thing with the sides. It has the inside protective ridges, you can kind of see here, frosted sides. And another thing I forgot to mention that I really love about Sonix cases is that the buttons, I don't know what it is about how they design it, but the buttons are just so pleasing, like aesthetically pleasing to touch. That doesn't even make sense. I just really like the way the buttons feel when you touch them. You guys know like how if you have a weird thing for the way turn signals sound, the way the buttons sound when you press them. I don't know, am I weird? I don't know. But really cute, and again, this one is called Illusion. So that is the 3 cases that I got sent to me from Sonix. I have the Care Bears one, which is technically called Candy Bears. Like, Are you joking me? How cute. And then we have our shortcake, little strawberry shortcake vibes, and then illusions that I just showed you guys. So make sure you are checking out the timestamps down below so you guys can go back and see the try on my actual phone. So if you need a better visual of how it may look on your phone or just in general. And make sure you have your notification bell turned on so you guys can watch my next vlog, which I'm planning on it being Wednesday. And I mean it this time. It's gonna be Wednesday. Just trust me, it'll be there, I promise. So make sure you guys are looking out for that, and thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you babes next time.